Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got another quick video for y'all today. You know, all this week I'm doing video. It's for people that have a credit score between a 500 and a 600 credit score. People was in my comments, people have been sending me emails saying stop doing videos for people with good credit and excellent credit. Can you please do videos for people that has horrible credit? So we're going to talk about Premier Banking Credit Card. At one time, they used to be called First Premier Credit Card. A lot of people probably heard of them. Now, they do a pre-qualification. They will give you an offer, see if they could approve you. They will be doing that soft pull through Experian. I will be leaving that in this video. And just to let you know, you need to have a checking account to get approved. Yes, they require that you have a checking account. If you don't have a checking account, they will not accept you because you got to link it through the application. Now, what kind of score you need to have? I personally help people with a 550 credit score, and they got approved for this card. Now, you might be saying, what is the limit on this card? This card usually range from 200 to 700 and usually give you an increase after 12 months. Now, another question that you're probably asking, what do the interest rate look like? Now, it could go up to 36%. Yes, 30%. Damn! But again, this is what you expect when you have a credit score as low as a 500, 550, and even a 600 credit score. Now, the annual fee for this card range from $49 to $125, which is really high. Now, you might be saying, is this a good credit card overall? Now, if I need to rate it from a 0 to 10, I'll probably say this is a starter card. If you're having troubles with getting approvals, if you have issues, you know I'm totally against applying from any credit card that have any kind of annual fees. I'm totally against it. I'd rather people fix their credit and get some decent cards from Discoveries, or even starter cards like Capital One is a great starter card. But I understand people are in positions where they might not be there. And you know, they're in my comments, they're in my emails telling me, do videos for people that have horrible credit. So again, get approved for with a little as a 550 credit score. So go ahead, but just know you will have an annual fee. You will definitely have high interest rate, and you need a checking account. And they will be doing that soft pull through Experian. Once you accept that offer, it will be a hard pull. Get in the comments, tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.